Hey YouTube, Zed up here. I just want to get this quick video. As you know, I got a couple sticks up for sale now. The purple one, the purple gate with the gate alloy shaft. I kind of modified it a little bit. Just wanted to show you guys something. I think it turned out fucking wonderful. I really do. It's probably one of the best sticks I've shown. I don't want to shoot for fucking 3 weeks. Something stupid like this. Anyways, here she is. So fucking it's all blacked out. All blacked out. Fucking, I don't even know what it is. Somebody tell me what it is, goddamn. It's I don't know if it's a gate or not. I'm pretty sure it's a gate. It had a gate post. But it's got a mid pocket on it. Channel's pretty nice. It's all blacked out, black string, black leathers. And I dyed it black. It was purple, but I dyed it black. And black shears. Yeah. This is probably one of the better 6-dam traditionals I've actually strung. It takes a little bit used to get it right, but I thought it worked out pretty damn beautiful. I really did. I just wanted to let you guys know that's what's up. It's still up for sale. It's offer it up. If not, then no worries. And that's about it. So yeah, you can comment, message me if you want, PM me if you want anything. I do still have the other sticks for sale too, but it's up to you guys. And that's all. So I give my shout outs to contest Colin from KLN, Greg from East Coast, and Joe from Chicken. Alright guys, have a good one.